These are 100% cotton, sort of homeware really, and trousery type things. They've worn out here. As usual, it's the whole area, so you can't just stitch across there, you've got to replace a bit. I'm going to take a piece of jersey fabric from an old t-shirt that I've cut out quite neatly and pin it behind. So there it is, pinned in place. I've got the pins behind. I'm going to use embroidery thread. I've got 3 strands of the 6-strand thread. It's just a colour I had lying around, I think it will do. So taking the thread in from behind, I'm going to secure my stitch here. That means just going over the same place a couple of times. Now I'm just going to do a running stitch. You can see that my left hand gets the fabric into place and my right hand pulls the thread through. That's because I'm right-handed. You'd reverse it if you were left-handed. So I should go along one way. And then I think I'm just going to make this up. I'm going to do a sort of gate stitch over this. Thing is about visible mending is you just make it up as you go along. What's important is that you're securing the 2 cloths together and you're making it look reasonably attractive and patterned, but you're creating something which is going to be strong for a while. So I'll go across to the end like that, but that looks okay, I think. And then I'm going to take the pin out because it's going to annoy me and come back the way a running stitch. There we are. Now I can feel the jersey behind it, so I know that I'm stitching the 2 bits together. And I can just keep on doing embroidery like this, so I'll show you when I've finished it. It shouldn't take very long. It's finished. I went across the way in order to secure it all on, and then just went up and down, and then round the edge. I think that's perfectly all right, and it's going to be comfortable to wear.